I want to drink rose milk. Anybody wants to drink rose milk? Rose milk. So in the empty bottle, empty tumbler, so I can prepare rose milk. How to prepare rose milk? See, here I have one solution. When I add this solution, we can get rose milk. Okay. Anybody wants to drink? Yeah, please. Rose milk. You don't do. You don't. This is a rose milk, isn't it? What is this? What is this? Then how it has come, the color, pink color. How the pink color has come in the tumbler? What I have used? What is this? Huh? This is acid? No, it is not acid. Actually, this is a base solution. Sodium hydroxide solution. When sodium hydroxide solution, what is that? Taking into the tumbler, immediately the pink color has come. Right. So I have applied phenolphthalein in the tumbler, in the wall of tumbler. Already I have applied phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein is an indicator. It gives pink color when it mixed with base. Okay. So this is a base solution. Hello, base solution. Then how to make it neutralized? Huh? By adding acid. Okay. See, I'm going to add drum by drum. Don't panic, this is a diluted acid, not concentrated. The dilute acid. Here I have one box. Hello, listen here. Here I have one box. Okay, so four chambers are there, and so this is locked with different 2, 4, 6, 8 nails. Okay, so internally it has been locked with the nails. Okay, and you have to open the box. But if you use some trick, definitely you can open it. So for that you have to use, there is a trick to open this box. Okay. So any one of you please come and try to open it. Any one of you. You can open. Yeah, please come. Yeah, please come. But you see here, so 4 chambers are there, 4 chambers, but each chamber, so it is interlocked with the small nails. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8 nails are there. So how to open it? So there is a trick, small trick. Try to open it. Try to open it. Just rotate like this. Rotate like this. Four sides we have two lines are there. Four sides there are two lines. Total 8 lines are. So how to move away? Rotate like this. All the legs move. Yes. You can easily open. Yes, sir. Take. Okay. Hello. Please listen. So here a green color. Now this is a strong acid. So hydrochloric acid plus sulfuric acid. So I have added little bit coloring agent. Okay. So that's why it looks green color. Now I am going to pour somebody's head. What is that? It is a fake liquid, a fake tumbler. See. Chamber tumbler. Chamber, what in between? So inner wall and the outer wall is there. In between there is a gap. In that gap it is filled with green color fluid. Due to some illusion. So some people may think that I am carrying some green color liquid. Okay, but it is not. If you say lie, no, then it will start to boil. What's your age? 13. Oh, 13. Which class you are studying? 7th. Okay. Please hold it. Hello. Yeah. You just hold it. Yes. Then I move away. Start boiling, huh? Yeah. Again, start to boil. Let's see. Now it's boiling. Okay. See. Actually, your age is 17, huh? 13. You are studying 7th child, huh? Actually, what is it? This is called a hand boiler. Hand boiler. So if I hold this in your palm, so the liquid starts to boil. Actually, what liquid is this? See. Highly volatile liquid. It's like alcohol-based liquid. Alcohol-based liquid due to the temperature. So in your form, due to this least temperature, so it is expanding. So because of the pressure and heat, it starts to expand. So that's why it's boiling. Okay. The liquid is nothing but alcohol-based liquid. Ethyl alcohol or methyl alcohol. Listen here. Hello, please. Here I want liquid. Okay, this is also used to say magic liquid. Okay, this is the magic liquid. And here I have paper. Okay, here one plate. Okay, metal pan. And yes, I have some of the paper, newspaper pieces of newspaper. If I pour the liquid over the paper, it start to burn. Then what is this? Acid. Huh? Strong base or strong acid. Nobody knows. But if you want to taste it, you can taste it. I will give you. You can taste it. But if I pour the liquid over the paper, it will start to burn. Okay. But even though you can taste it, I will give you. Anybody wants to taste it? No. I'll do only one drop. Just to taste it. No. So first I start. Five tasting. Will you do that? If I taste it, will you taste it? No. No. See, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, let's try. Water ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಾಗಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, ready? Only one drop. Okay? Ready? I'm going to taste it. Ready? Ready? I think it's honey. Well, I have taken in the middle finger. But I am eating in the middle finger. Okay. Even though I am ready to taste it, but little bit okay. Water. I better acid once again. Okay, I'll taste it. Oh, it's honey, I think. Oh, very, very tasty. Yeah, really tasty. Honey. Anybody wants to taste it? No. I applied, I have poured on the paper, but I have kept under the paper some chemicals. Okay, potassium permanganate. What is that? Potassium permanganate is a crystal-based chemical. Okay, crystal chemical, that is potassium permanganate. When I mix glycerin with potassium permanganate, it starts to fire. Okay, why? Because due to exothermic reaction. So it got fire. So endothermic reaction is while here what I am going to do in a center tumbler. No, see, I am going to pour water. Okay, you see. Okay, now I am going to shuffle it, but you have to find the correct tumbler where I pour water. Correct? Ready? In the center. Ready? Where it is? In the middle. On the corner. Here. No water. Yes. the diagram? See here, see some jelly, no, some powder like structure. You can find some powder. So that is super absorbent. Okay, this is a super absorbent. It's a powder like structure, and so it has the capacity to hold water. You want to check it out. I'm not using anything water.
In the forthcoming video, you will see the magical pot and also foam without soap and the relation between force and area. So keep watching the science demonstration lecture. The next video will be the last video in the series of Science is Magic or Science is Fun.